Edit. Well, I say my funniest moment at today when I the final day for presentation where you see everybody they run go na the back, but just because they are not present earlier.
Fantastic.
Impactful.
Extraordinary.
Oh, it is great.
Curiosity.
Because I want to gain experience on video editing.
I do graphic design, so I just needed to add motion to what I do, to my creative.
For deliver quality service to my clients then.
Well, actually, because I'm a multimedia student, so that inspires me because like this is part of my job.
Presentation of last videos.
Now the moment for presentation when everybody be going at the back.
Realizing how editing can be fun and seeing how things are done on movies.
Assignment.
Well, I say my funniest moment at today when I the final day for presentation where you see everybody they run go na the back, but just because they are not present earlier. And actually it's fun.
Premiere Pro interface.
Videography.
Sound engineering.
Graphic designing.
There are so many skills that I want to learn because like I want to learn photography, videography, and graphics design, but anyway, it has to go little by little.
80%.
Paul has a little confidence with 95%.
I would say 85%.
9% out of 10.
This is a skill I don't get in this beginner's class. Alhamdulillah, I can edit my video with the confidence of 90%, say I can do on my own.
Resolutions.
Using up green screen.
Chroma key.
I think colors grading.
My favorite topic na transition because like you doing transition sometimes they appear like a magic na the screen. Sometimes you go curious how it happens.
Setting videos on the timeline accurately.
Moving the play ahead, not the timeline.
Well, I just had to pay attention and practice everything I was taught.
I think I watched to my colleagues then, ground they were past, and they inspire me more for get rid of the challenges.
Storytelling.
I want for user for come into content creating and same way so implement another field of media.
Like I said, I'm a graphic designer and videography is something I want to venture into. So yes, videography, which will lead to motion graphics and all of that.
Be a professional video editor and deliver quality service to my clients.
In one word I can say I will plan for user halalically, inshallah.
Well, it changed them for good and completely. I assure you, it's a new view now at this moment.
It all seemed like very impossible, but it has opened my mind and allowed me to understand that once you get into editing, it's something that you can do and it is very, very, very impactful.
Well, actually, like, it don't make me be so curious because even before, like, cannot be too interested in movies. But now, like, when I can watch movie, like, I can just be curious about the creatives and the transition that they use in everything.
Well, I just want to say be prepared and ready for a thrilling next session.
Anybody will want for join this next edition, make it get confidence. Nothing no the way not possible as long as you get the willingness you go learn.
It will be worth your while. So just take your time and come and join.
The only advice what they give them, let them choose professional cause SK design, not the solution for them problems, worries in terms of video editing, graphics as well.
Well, my advice to the next coming, like, let it just give their opening mind and they will learn a lot.
Well, to the brand, I would say continue to flame well and high. And to the tutor, I want to say congratulations for an excellent tutorials.
To the brand, it's a whole big world out there, and the little you're doing is causing an impact. So keep doing what you're doing. So the tutor, I just want to say thank you because you were very patient and understanding, impacting your knowledge. So keep doing what you're doing.
Make them continue cause one thing about SK design, na professional then they work. And when you see professionalism, I think say everybody will be so interested for join the class. So let them keep it up for be professional. Also, the teacher impatient we get, I pray to God due to with disturbance, let it not lack, let it continue for be so vibrant to us in school picking them, and also let it continue for teach we just like how in teach we into details. Alhamdulillah, we understand much better.
Well, my message to the brand and to the tutor, I want to tell them plenty thank you for waiting time and everything, because like for teach somebody it really not easy. So for that, let Allah will get the barakah and help in whatever they do.
Well, my advice would be help the brand, invest, come into it, and let's see how it grows together. SK Design is a very promising brand, and I'm not just seeing it promising for Sierra Leone. I'm seeing it as a promising brand across the entire Africa and hopefully globally in some years to come.
Always the finance na organization na the lifeblood for make it able for run and for make this brand continue for produce high quality content and create impact na the life of people. Now when finance day, feel free for give the support because you know they get them.
I would say investing to SK Design will be, it's something you will not regret, because then they are making a difference in little ways they can, and you want to be part of that.
I think as an investor, one thing that you can look at to say if you put in money, not trust. And I think say SK Design gets the quality there. So anything so far where you put forward, make sure say where you put in money, they see better thing. And alhamdulillah, I see much of improvement and trust when it comes to SK Design is the solution.
And to anybody who want to invest on the brand, I can promise the person say no ever regrets, because like the CEO of the brand, they give in all in everything for make sure say there is progress.
Edit.
I can now bring my graphic design to life.
Deliver quality service to my clients.
I can now edit my video. It's not perfect, but 80-90% I can do it on my